The Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6 car is the most effortlessly superior and extravagant off-roader ever developed and built by engineers. This car is in its element on the beaten track, driving through any weather condition that comes its way. With 400 kilowatts of power, 6-wheel drive, off-road reduction gear in the transfer case, portal axles, 5 differentials that can lock on while on the move, and a tire pressure control system that operates at world record speed, the G63 AMG 6x6 is made to meet all the topographic and meteorological challenges. At the end of the year, Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6 is expected to combine the best of 3 worlds, with Mercedes-Benz off-road experience for over 30 years, as well as its production models of the G-Class series. This vehicle will achieve effortless balance and poise unmatched by any other off-road vehicle. The voluminous tires on the 3 axles, the vast ground clearance, the overall height of almost 2.3 meters combined with a width of a good 2.1 meters, and the clear straight line design command respect. Despite its imposing appearance and total weight of 3.85 tons, the pickup boasts incredible driving dynamics and almost catapult-like acceleration. As the G63 AMG 6x6 features independent axle suspension rather than independent wheel suspension, all 3 rigid axles operate on their own, ensuring the best possible adhesion to the surface underneath the vehicle. In controlled efficiency mode, the most economical possible driving style is the central focus for the engine and drive control strategies. Sport and manual mode see the engine transmission set up in a markedly more agile form. The G63 AMG 6x6 shows real substance on the inside too, with a spectacular interior design concept featuring an exclusive dashboard with new instruments and a large central color display are enough to steal the show. The superiority of the G63 AMG 6x6 is also demonstrated by an innovative tire pressure control system, which enables the driver to adjust the tire pressure for the front axle and the two rear axles separately. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.